Riding gravel as a road rider is a bit like joining a dance halfway through and pretending you know the steps. It's clumsy, it's humbling, but it's also where the real learning happens, in that awkward, honest space where your skill is catching up to your ambition. That's where you learn the most. Some people climb mountains to chase the summit. Others climb it for the view. It's like a kid who sees a tree and has to climb it. No plan, no reason, just instinct. I took to the gravel because inside I still want to prove something. I want to prove that I can. I rode up Breedtsnek Pass because it was there. For us older riders, we've seen enough sunsets to know that comfort is overrated, that easy is often a dead end. That's not where growth is, and that there's something deeply satisfying about tackling a gravel pass that could toss you sideways in the blink of an eye. You have to be awake, you have to be in the moment 100% of the time. Breedtsnek Pass isn't particularly long. It doesn't have to be. It's steep, it's rocky, and it's a statement of intent. It says, I'm here after millennia. I'm waiting for you, and after you, I will still be with you. Breedtsnek is a little defiant. It's a little wild. It's a bit of a bold choice, but it's there. And somewhere between riding the bike and regaining what was left of my dignity, I started thinking about the Kruger-Dunning effect. You know, that curve that starts with people thinking they know everything until they learn enough to realize they actually don't know anything at all. Breedtsnek was that curve with rocks. In my ascent, I dropped the bike 3 times. The first time was an oops. Didn't get my footing, scrambled around, and I came off second.
got a good spot now where I can pull away from it. Actually, yeah.
The second time was, oh, this is not an ideal situation. By the third time, I had developed a kind of a muddy philosophical acceptance about my current situation. The third drop wasn't really frustrating as much as it was educational. It reminded me that confidence without knowledge is risky. But fear without curiosity is worse. But here's the thing. I didn't ride Up Breedtsnek to prove that I'm good on gravel. I rode Up Breedtsnek to test my edges, to find my limits. Where does my skill set stop and start? And how do I push the envelope? When you reach the top, it's triumphant. You're happy, you're glad. But it's not only triumph you feel. You feel clarity. Every drop, every bruise, every bent lever, being part of the process. We ride these roads not because they're easy. We ride them because they're there. Because we're the kind of people who want to try and try and try. And that feels pretty darn good.